All right, the next one. This one is a real. This one will get you going, Will. There's a video clip over here. And it's a thing that's going on in Australia right now. The mice are out of control. They're having a real, they're calling it here a mice plague.
Oh.
It's overwhelming farmers in New South Wales. Apparently, they had a drought and then they had a ton of rain. And it just, for whatever reason, well, because food supply, grain did really well, and then the mice did really well. And you know those mice, they can reproduce. Go to all these mice. And now they can't get rid of them as fast as they can multiply. It can turn into a real issue. Do you want to see the video clip?
Sure. Is it this one?
Yeah, you can play that one. Play some of this video clip. So this is one of the farmers. He says, I can't sleep at night. This farmer says they're everywhere, all over his house, everywhere he looks and turns. Every morning he's got to scoop up hundreds that are dead. He'll show you more footage here of them actually scurrying around. But he says it's got to his psychology now. He's all messed up. They're just everywhere in his garage, in his house. Every lid you open, they're in there. You know, these little guys, they can get all over the place. Look at this. He arrives home at night. Look at, they're everywhere, man.
Oh. It really is a plague.
You can't deal with something like this. You can't live like that. Can you?
No.
If you pull up to your driveway and this is going on, what's that doing to your psyche?
I feel like moving at that point.
You just get out of there.
Yeah, you can't really get rid of like all these mice, right? I mean, it's going to take a lot of time and a lot of cats. So
I wonder if they considered the cats. Actually, what they're really trying to do in this region is get the government to approve a particular type of poison, which has previously been outlawed, because they've tried everything. And I think they would love if a couple of cats would work, but I think the mice are winning right now. Mm-hmm. Apparently, this individual has been laying bait for mice for 6 months, and he's done everything to seal his house, but he can't. It's having no impact. He says your social and emotional well-being is shot, and you are absolutely buggered. Brutal. Yeah, I don't know. I never had a mouse problem. I had a mouse, like one mouse, or one. You would be like, "Oh, I got to catch that mouse." You can't even imagine if it's thousands, tens of thousands. Yeah. You know, the hardware store is not set up for that.
Uh-huh. Yeah, to get rid of like a huge number of mice, it's like you got to get some sort of mass poison mechanism, right? Like there's no other way.
There's no other way. No, they're crafty. You know, these mice are crafty too.
Yeah, they're just hiding around everywhere.
Everywhere. They're smart. They're crafty. You got to come with the mass poison. It's unfortunate. And it's going to have an effect on the ecosystem because you got to bring in a predator.
Even then, is it too much for them?
Yeah, I don't know. What, you bring in like some bald eagles?
Now we have a bald eagle problem. Oh, no.
You know, they're dropping in.
Yeah.
I'm sure people got ideas. There's an amazing channel on YouTube with the mouse traps. That guy's pretty good.
Yes. Sean Woods.
Maybe
shout out.
Maybe you just need to bring Sean Woods. Is that his name?
Yes.
Yeah, maybe you bring him down because he'll just take a bucket and I'm sure they've tried all this because they have YouTube. They can go look. Uh-huh. But what a channel that guy's got.
Yeah. Good luck.
Anyway, Will, so that pretty much does it for myself. You have anything you want to add today? You have your special segment because you revived it, remember? In the last episode or 2 episodes, you had the double. You do have something.
No, I don't. I don't.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I just needed to be sure about that because I wanted to give you the opportunity. People really enjoyed that, as you know.
Well, I will say.
Okay.
Yeah, just happy Friday, everyone.
I'll say the same. Thank you for joining us live. If you guys enjoy the live experience, let me know. Leave a thumb. Say something in the comments. Maybe we'll do it again. Maybe we'll eat some cereal from Magic Spoon. Good luck with the mice, by the way. out there in Australia.